So you don't need a Visual Studio Code, no installation. This web components dev, this is an IDE that allows you to develop many things, like many type of elements or components. HTML element. We also have LWC over here. So let us go to this. Let me show you. When you try to develop LWC using the web components, this is the folder structure that it provides. So as you know, in Lightning Web Component, there are three main files: the CSS file, the HTML file, and the JS JavaScript file. So this makes one Lightning Web Component. So you can develop as many Lightning components here, as many as you want. Uh, so I have developed three Lightning Web Components over here. Let me show you the JSON file first. So when we develop these Lightning Web Components, we need extra support for the base components, Lightning base components. So that is a module in NPM. So we have to import that module so that in your Lightning Web Components you can use the existing base components. So that is already done over here. This window shows you the output over here. So how is the output displayed? So this is how it is displayed. So first of all, in the Java index.js file, they are creating a synthetic shadow. So basically this synthetic shadow DOM, why is this used? Because in Lightning platform, we use synthetic version of the native DOM. This creates a virtual DOM. What this means is the actual DOM is not shown. If you see in the HTML, in the tags also, in when you develop a Lightning Web Component on Visual Studio Code, you will not find the shadow DOM, because the shadow DOM is a synthetic DOM is used, and that is a in-memory DOM. The actual DOM is not exposed to us. We cannot manipulate the actual DOM. So that's why the synthetic DOM is imported over here. This is a design system file that is used. Then the create element component is imported. And basically now what it is doing is it is importing the hello. So here we have written the hello Lightning Web Component. It is importing the hello component, and then it is using create element. Create element is used to dynamically show a Lightning Web Component. So which Lightning Web Component? Hello Lightning Web Component will be created dynamically. So here you can see hello Lightning Web Component is shown dynamically. If I change this to, instead of hello, if I want to show my app this Lightning Web Component, so basically I can use, let me make it. So basically this version is shared, so I cannot edit it because it is in read-only mode. So once I fork it, this will create a copy of the components into my account, and this ID will change. So let me copy these to my personal account, and then I can make changes. Okay. So here I copied it. Now I will change this to app, and I'll save it. So now as you see, I want to create which element dynamically. I want to create the app, this Lightning Web Component I want to show here. So okay, so it is saying that app is not defined. So why it is saying? Because it is not able to access it. The import app I have, if you see, I have commented it. I'll just uncomment it and save this again. So now it is transpiling the modules, and here it is, now it is showing my lightning web component. Whatever code I have written in the, whatever markup I have written here, here it is showing the output. So basically I'm using this IDE, web components IDE, without any installation on my browser. If you are on a new PC and you don't want to do the installation there, you can start developing your lightning web components there. If I want to share my lightning, if two people want to, review code or discuss the code, I want to share this with someone, I can share this link. This ID is unique to my account. If I share this link with you, then you will be able to see these same components that I have developed, and then you can fork and start enhancing these components in your own personal account. So that is really helpful. So I think this is a really helpful web components IDE that you can use to develop components on browser. Okay, thank you. Hopefully it helped you and you will also use it. Thank you.